So what I'm doing today is I've just finished mounting my tire on the rim, a new Kenda K270. So it's 510/17, and the old one's over there. And I did that on the stand, and it took a lot of pain and effort to do that. But set the bead, and so it's on the wheel now. So it's all good. So what I'm doing now is balancing the tire on the bike. So if you have your wheel and the disc is not catching or touching anywhere, and their chain is off the other side, you take your chain off. Obviously you don't need to tighten it up really, but your nut. But if your bearings are smooth enough, you can just do it on your bike. So what I've already gone and done is marked where the heaviest portion of the tire is, right here. So do that, and when you do that, your heavy spot will be on the tire like that. So, and it's always, I'll come back down, and I'll speed it up, put it there. And the bearings are really smooth. They are sealed all ball bearings. So even the slightest bit down at the bottom, it's still gonna balance out. And the same at the other side. See, just a little fraction of a rotation, so. And then what you do from that point, you go all the way to the top and mark the opposite side of the tire, and that's where you're going to be putting your weights to balance it. So you see how it is. If you end up putting weights here, that'll slowly, if you get the right amount, that'll slowly even it out. So once you're balanced, you could put it anywhere it is, and it'll stay. So what we're gonna do is get some weights. I got a whole bunch here, different types. These are 1/4 ounce weights, and they've got a self-adhesive backing on them. So what we're gonna do is figure out how many we need here. So I've got one here. I'm gonna get a new piece of tape right here. We're gonna put that on put a piece of tape on there so we don't have to use the backing on it. So we're gonna start off with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weights. Put them on the opposite side, right there. Right there. And we'll see how that does. And the other side is just slightly heavier, so we're gonna need another. So take that sucker off there. Add another weight on the side. We'll see if we need this. Put another one on there. Might need a bunch. We'll see. So get the opposite side. Put them in the middle. Put that there. And that there. And if that doesn't move, put it up there. So top, other side. So that's the amount of weights we need for the tire. See how it doesn't move and it's across from the heavy point? You put your weights on. So that's balanced it out, both sides. Yeah. So if you move it, it'll go until it stops. It's not gonna find balance because it's centralized. And it will just stop. So that's the amount of weights we need. And what we're gonna do is divide them up, being it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of those weights. So we'll divide that in half. We'll put 3 on one and 4 on the other side. Unless if you want to cut it in half, I suppose, but I don't know if I can. Cut it in half. It's something I have lying around. But we can. We'll see if we have a saw. Let's see. So if we can cut that 7th one in the middle in half. Cut it in half, and then once you get far enough, it'll split. Should split, but keep going. Put it on the block here. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Get that. And there. So that's our half. Half and half. So we'll put one on the one side and the other on the other. And that's how we'll do it. So, back at the wheel, heavy spot is down, and our other spot is over here, which is where we want the weights. So we'll get these babies. Back in half of it. That one is good to go, so we'll put that on this side. make sure you clean the rim with some sort of cleaner so it can stick, which I've already done. So you put that there. Balls on this side. Put your others on the other side. The others. And there we go. Make sure they stick. And you're done. And your tire is now balanced. Good to go.